guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a room tour video because I recently got a new room and I realized I haven't done that yet. So yeah, I guess let's just get right into the video. So I turned all my lights and signs on and now I'm gonna get right into the video. So I'm thinking maybe I'll show you guys, maybe say where I got some stuff, just explain, do a room tour. When you walk in, there's little rugs so my dog can get on my bed because I have laminate in here, so she can't really get on my bed. She slips, so yeah, that's for her. And then here's my bed. I have this cute little comforter, got some comfy little pillows, some decorative pillows, and then I have two sides of fairy lights. These are 12 feet each, and I got them at Five and Below. I got 2 packs, so they were $5 each, so it was $10 in total. And then these signs, I have 4: star, love sign, and cloud sign, and a lightning bolt sign. And I'm gonna hang them up right here, but we haven't got to that yet. So yeah, I got them all from Amazon. I'm pretty sure they're all between 10 and 12 bucks each. So yeah. And then over here is my desk since I do online school. So here are my textbooks, my notebooks, my pencils, my pens, scissors, my computer. Here's my desk, my chair, and then here's my LED lights. I got them off of Amazon. I got 32 feet in total. The other ones are in my closet because they weren't all sticking up for some reasons. But yeah, these are just the ones I have up. I'm pretty sure they're $20 for 32 feet. Yeah, and then they change a bunch of colors too. And then here's my clock. And then my dresser isn't in here yet because we don't have the baseboards in yet. But yeah. So I'm gonna do a little bonus and do my closet. This is my closet, here's me. The light on real quick so you could see in my closet better. So over here I have sweatshirts, hoodies, and jackets, and then extra hangers. My shoes are down here, and then starting right here I have my socks in this container for now because I don't have my dresser in here yet. And then back there some skincare stuff, some makeup stuff, my brush and some hair ties, my little journal thing. Then here's where majority of my makeup is. Here's some coloring supplies, workbooks. Here's my bigger palette, it's my James Charles palette. And then I have a bigger e.l.f. palette. And then here's this is what I put my dirty makeup brushes in. Here's my extra Q-tips and then some random candies. And then I have my little light up mirror in here. I take it out during the day and at night. And then my shampoo and conditioner, my face wash, my Method body wash, shaving cream, my 2 OGX body washes, Bath and Body Works body washes, hair mask from Trader Joe's, and then I have my Tree Hut and Dove scrubs. I'll do a video on all my body supplies too. It's coming soon. And then I get up off the floor. There's my trash can and my laundry basket, and then I have some extra bigger organizers over there. And then down here I have organizers, smaller organizers, my notebook with some extra notebook paper. And then I have this cute little table. This has my makeup removing towels, random little skincare headband, my rose quartz roller, some extra soap bars. And here's my short sleeve shirts. I really need to do laundry, so I don't have that many. And then yoga pants, spaghetti straps, tank tops, long sleeves. And then my backpack and my purse, robes, dresses, snow stuff, extra stuff. So yeah, that was pretty much this week's video. I'm filming 3 more videos today, so that's why I'm wearing the same outfit in my next couple of videos. I just wanted to put that out there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video I missed last week, but I'm really trying to put out some videos the next couple of weeks continuously instead of keep missing weeks. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, that's pretty much that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. See you in my next video. And goodbye.
While me do my two-step.